Well, g'day guys, we're back in the driveway today and we've got Ryan's D-Max up here and we're throwing on a snorkel today. We've got the Platinum, is it the Platinum?
Yeah. Platinum
mechanical and suspension snorkel.
4-inch snorkel and airbox combo.
And we've got we're replacing the airbox as well. Ryan's taken the wheel off already and he's popped the inner guard out. And what are you up to now, mate?
Trying to get the original intake pipe off.
Yep.
From the inner guard, and then I'll probably get the airbox out after that.
So do you know what you're doing?
No.
So that's two of us that don't know what we're doing. So this isn't a how-to video, this is just us having a bit of fun in the driveway. So Ryan's already done a few mods to this car that you haven't seen yet. So he's put the sliders on already from Fat Bars, and he's also made himself a tub rack and he's put the Drifter rooftop tent on, but it's the Desert Cruiser. It's like a folds out the other way. It's not like the normal Drifter rooftop tent you see. And what else you done, mate? Oh, seat covers.
Seat covers, got some bash plates on there as well.
Oh yeah.
And then the tyres.
Yeah, they're Owen's old wheels and tyres because he doesn't have suspension yet.
So that's the factory intake out. A bit muddy. Now get the airbox out.
How would it get muddy, Ryan? Previous owner?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, good call.
Not me.
And the reason we're replacing the airbox is
the clip
broken
down here.
Yeah.
Is broken.
The one that's broken?
So, yeah, this one's broken. That one's how it should be.
And that's a common thing, eh? Like that was on your last D-Max too, eh?
Yeah.
So if you got a D-Max, check out that
check out that corner of the, or that, just this side of the airbox. Make sure these, both of those holes are still straight.
Because that'll affect the integrity of your airbox for sure, I reckon, because it's not clamped down in that corner.
Yeah.
So the old airbox is out. You're just masking up now, yeah, and then gonna put the template on.
Yeah.
And we're gonna mark it all up. Just put the template on and traced around the hole. Now we're gonna sink this one into there. Yeah, that's what everyone came here for. Sink that bad boy into your guard. So we're just putting the airbox in now. Looks a bit flash for under here, mate.
Good mate. Do that. Let's try that.
Bolting the airbox in, and then we're going to do the clamps up. We had to trim the hose down a bit to fit. What?
Look at that.
What?
That.
Yeah, we're going to paint it. The pinch weld will cover that, won't it?
Still.
Oh, okay.
Would you be happy with that if that was your car?
I wouldn't put a Stano on my car, mate.
Oh, fuck, well,
What are you gonna swear for all the time?
because I asked you a question, and you always find a way out of it.
So that's worthy of swearing.
Yes, it is.
Who's gonna clean that up? Dad? So we're just painting the bare metal edge. We've test fitted the snorkel, fits good. We're gonna put a bit of paint on there. So the airbox is all in.
You haven't tested it before. Close the door so it'll hold it.
That's alright, just leave it like that. Just hop in and out of the passenger side. So we're just putting the 6mm riv nuts into the pillar here. Hang on, you're not all the way. Feel it go easy like a pot rivet. It's all the way in, yep. So now you just gotta unwind it, yeah. Just squeeze it in a little bit, take the pressure off it. Just a little bit, yeah. So snorkel's all on.
We just got the last two pieces of the puzzle to go. Join the snorkel to the airbox through the inner guard, and then it's all plumbed up. Give it a sound check.
Sound check.
Yeah, rev it, you can.
So you've trimmed all them, Ryan. That's sort of how it's going to go in, eh?
Yeah.
It's got the stainless
Joiner
in the middle.
kind of thing in the middle there, and then the 3 hose clamps in the inner guard, and then there's one on the airbox in there.
Across there.
Into the snorkel.
Okay, what's the cable tie for?
This little mud guard thing. What's going on, guys?
Hello, is this the Smash Repairers? Yeah, we need a new guard for a D-Max. Sorry to take over. That's what dads do.
I know. That's why I just said do it, because otherwise you would have stood there for another 5 minutes going,
Let me do it, Ryan.
oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's what pisses me off more.
Yeah?
That you're standing there and you're just like,
Can't believe I pissed you off. Do it for TikTok, bro.
welcome back to the fucking channel.
Swore, mate. You ruined it.
That's why I swore, so you wouldn't put it in.
Oh,